Hi guys, so today I just want to share a video. It's about the cousin Maine Lobster. I did finally try. It's a food truck. So I read about them and also saw them on Shark Tank. They were featured in the Shark Tank, and Barbara was the one who they took to go in business with them. So I was excited. I was curious, to try their lobster. I love lobster roll. I used to travel between Florida and Maine a couple of years, and every time I go to Maine, I will always go to this specialty place. It's in the lighthouse. There's like a trailer. It's a very famous for lobster roll, and actually Mark Twain also went over there and eat on that small trailer. It's a nice nice area. I always go there, and their lobster is so fresh and delicious. For me, people were complaining it's very expensive. Although I would say it's kind of expensive because it's so small. It's not, it's very small, and then the meat is not as much as you will get in Maine. So, but if you think about it, lobster here in Florida is very expensive. So I think it's the most important is is it good? Is it fresh? So, and then the answer is for me it's yes. It's delicious and it's fresh. So for me it's worth it. So let's go play the video. So we got the I believe this will be the Maine lobster roll. Has a lemon, and then that with a little bit of mayonnaise. And this one is the Connecticut version, which is a warm lobster roll with just butter. And then we want to try a small cup of lobster bisque. So let's go. Let's try it. I'm going to try this first. The cold one. Okay. My wife's going to take picture my video. Should I try the soup first? Maybe I should try the soup first. Alright, so let me try the soup first. Alright, here you go. Lobster bisque. Uh, one more. One more. Lobster bisque is good. It's not. It has no. It's just liquid only. There's no meat in there. But you know, it's this cup is about. It's a 750. I think 750 or $5.
Five.
$5.
Yeah.
This cup is $5. So you can't complain, you know, as lobster are expensive. So I'm gonna try this New England.
That's amazing.
It is tiny.
2150.
2150, very tiny. So oops. Okay, I'll squeeze some lemon juice. I'm gonna try. Lobster is delicious. The bread, I love the bread. Soft and has butter flavor. Delicious. I think probably they use like half of the lobster meat in here. In Florida, lobster is very expensive. So I'm gonna try this, the other one. This is the Connecticut, which is just, it's about the same. It's about 5 inches, the size.
2150.
Delicious. But for me, I will go with Maine. This is my personal choice. I will go with Maine lobster. But it's delicious. This Connecticut has a lot of butter, you know. So that's my. They are on short time, you know. A lot of people, not a lot, but you know, people coming. This is a cousin Maine lobster. Between the Maine or Connecticut, my choice will be the Maine lobster roll. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Take care now. Bye bye. Oh, how much the total? I forgot to. Okay, folks. So I have to re-edit the video because at the end I was showing my total bill and it's showing my credit card info. So so for the safety, I just kind of delete the video and then I have to re-edit the whole thing. You know, I mean just based on the last part. So the lobster roll are 21.50 each. So I ordered 2 and then I ordered 1 small cup of the lobster bisque is $5. And the total was I think like $48. Then the taxes was $3.36. Then you have to give tips start from they have the option of either you do 15%, 20%, or 25%. It's the highest. And then there's also an option if you don't want to give any, you can click none. For 15% for a truck food, food truck, I think it's kind of pretty high, to be honest with you. So, but then you think about the situation now. So if you can, why not? give them a break. And by the way, I would say that they are very nice. They are very helpful. Great stop in the food truck. I'm talking about the cousin, Maine Lobster. They're very nice people that work there, and then also they keep you can see they keep everything very neat, clean. So shout out to them. And then what else? Yeah, talking about tips. I think I hardly go out. I shared this before. I hardly go out to eat in a restaurant, but when I do, I usually give very good tip. I usually give them at least the may I think usually 25, 30. Most of the time 30%, 30, 35, and then maybe sometime once in a while I give 50%. But I have to tell you though, I don't eat a lot, so I have to kind of. That's why I give good, higher percentage because I don't eat a lot, and I also don't drink. Usually when you go out, the bill is of the way you order, and also drinking and the wine are very expensive. So yeah, but for food truck, I think 15% is kind of high. I'm sure a lot of people click none. You can. I wish they could have other option that you can put any amount or something like that. But they don't. They either you just go with the percentage, 15, 20, 25, or none. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye bye.